Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your Windows network to fix common internet connection problems, like no internet access, limited connectivity, or when your Wi-Fi just won't connect properly. Click on the Start menu and select Settings. You can also press Windows +I on your keyboard to open it quickly. In the Settings window, click on Network and Internet from the list on the left side. Scroll down to the bottom of the left panel and click on Status if it's not already open. On the right side, scroll down and click Network Reset. A new window will open showing details of what will happen. Click the Reset Now button. A message will appear asking for confirmation. Click Yes to continue. Windows 10 will automatically restart your computer within a few minutes. After the restart, all your network adapters will be reinstalled, and your network settings will return to default. This simple fix helps solve most Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection problems. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more quick Windows tips and tutorials.